Jah Light calling for the most. Yeah. Creator of the sunrise, guide me through the tough times. Jah Light, they are standing, triumph on the front line, yeah. Burdens heavy like a stone, but I don't walk alone. Me cry, reach up to your throne, lift me higher. Jah, lift me up. Oh, Jah, show me a better day, a better way. Let the blessings wash me pain away. Oh, Jah, hold me out when the night get gray. Shine your light on Jah Light today. Shine your light on Jah Light today. Creator, my knees get weak, but still your strength I see. Lift me from the valley deep, guard my soul while I sleep. Teach me love when it's surround, firm a foot on holy ground. Let your wisdom be the sound that turn me every life around. Oh, Jah, oh, Jah, show me a better day, a better way. Let the blessing wash my pain away. Oh, Jah, hold me out when the night get gray. Shine your light on Jah Light today. Shine your light on Jah Light today. Jah guide me, Jah heal me. Creator, stand beside me. Oh, divine one, rise inside me. Better day must come. Jah promise provide me. Creator, bless my vision clear. Sweep away my doubt and fear. Carry Jah Light through each year, hold my spirit near. Let me walk with purpose strong, even when the days feel long. Turn me struggle into song. Jah, make this troubled man belong. Make this troubled man belong. Oh, Jah, show me a better day, a better way. Let the blessing wash my pain away. Oh, Jah, let my spirit when skies turn gray. Shine your light on Jah Light today. Today light on Jah Light today. Today, today, today.